Hello friends, hope you are all good, and today I have come up with yet another interesting video which I think is very useful, so stay tuned till the end of the video. In today's video I am going to reveal some exciting, some game-changing websites for you, so let's get started.
So the very first website is mechmaster.com. I keep this website at the number one because I have been benefited by this website personally. You see, this website contains everything right from the screws, washers, springs, pins, all kind of gauges, hoses, bearings, whatever you can think of, everything is available here. And not only just the product, it's available in both the standards, inches or metric. Let's say for metric, I'll just show you one example. And for example, let's say M4 screw and then 6 length, and you can just browse through whatever kind of head you want, like flat head or socket head, rounded head, whichever you want, all is there, and you can decide your standard. And not only that, not only spec you get, on top of that you always get the model as well, 3D CAD model in SolidWorks, step file, whatever you want, everything is available, even the PDF drawing as well. So you can simply download it. Okay, normally it's better to go with IGS because that works with all the design softwares, whatever you have. Helps you to basically install all the products which are directly off the shelf available and just directly assemble in your assembly. The number 2 website is Misumi. So Misumi is also similar to McMaster but not exactly same. It's basically a catalog, a very huge catalog of the products. It has automation components, fasteners, materials and plastic components and bearings and slides, linear guides and whatnot. Everything is there and from all sort of vendors across the globe. Okay, so you just browse through based on the need. For example, I need just cutting tools. I can go to whatever I need, which kind of milling or grinding tool or drill bits or milling cutters, turning tool, or so for designers it will not be required, but for your information, for your personal understanding, you can see. And electrical control related relays and all, so many things are there. You just can browse through. Third website is the GrabCAD. So this is the global community of all the mechanical engineers who come together and share their knowledge through this platform. It offers you, a great community through which you can be benefited. So here you can simply go to the library and download any kind of model, whichever you want from this library, and everything is freely available. You don't have to do anything, just have to create a simple login and download whatever you need. For example, I would search for helical gear. So you will see a lot of helical gear models already created by the users of this community, and you can just go to download. This option, this download options will also be available in various versions. For example, SolidWorks version or IGS or the step file. So you can download whatever you need it. Website I would like MatWeb. This is a great collection of material properties. Material properties, when do we need it? Of course, we normally when we do analysis, FEA or CFD or thermal or whatever analysis we do to validate our designs. And I will just show you one of the example. How do we do that? How do we search those materials and how does it work? So for example, I go to metal. Suppose I want to search for some metal. So let's go to metal, and here you have various options. For example, ferrous material or intermetallic and some other kind of material, non-ferrous. So I'll just go to ferrous, let's say ferrous material, then alloy steel. then search for AISI 4000 steel, this series. And in this one, it has listed out so many kind of steels which are under 4000 series. So you can pick whichever you want, and then, for example, I go with AISI 4024 steel. So it will show you all the material related property for this particular steel. Okay, you can see hardness, Brinell hardness, Rockwell, Vickers, and modulus of elasticity, bulk modulus, and so on and so forth. And bottom you have composition detail. Okay, and then this you can download also. Okay, so for that it is showing me some error because I have not yet registered. So you can simply download this data sheet, which you can always refer for your future use. What next after design? So of course we want to make it, we want to produce it. So during the prototyping, what do we do? The major problem we face is our turnaround time is quite high for all the vendors, and the quotation comes so late, and the production happens so late, and because of the volume problem. So for that, I want to suggest the websites Proto Labs. This is one of the best prototype company I have come across during my career. So they are US based company, and for no matter how much ever is the quantity, their service is the best. In no time you will receive the quote with all the details, all the DFM reports, if any issue is there from manufacturing point of view, that they will share through DFM reports. And once everything is okay, the product will go for production, and you will get all your parts in no time. So all in all, this is the best place for your prototyping and small builds. Okay, and every kind of part can be manufactured here, not only plastic or sheet metal or everything they do. So in similar line, there is another company which is called Geometry. So they also do rapid prototyping for low volume and low cost budget. So they also have similar thing. You can just browse through this another alternate option, but the preferred choice is Proto Labs. So please go with Proto Labs first. But if at all you want to keep two vendors at the same time to avoid any risk, you can choose Geometry. This is also US based, and they will ship across the globe also, both of them. Okay, so I think this is the information I wanted to share with you all today.
Hope you liked this information, and you will find it useful for your design work, and stay tuned with us.